Hello friends, now I am come with the topic learn all heart murmurs with this 4 easy mnemonics. You just have to learn this 4 mnemonics and forget all the things. You will learn all the basic heart murmurs with these simple 4 mnemonics. So what the mnemonic says, what is pass and what is my triceps? First we have to see this. What is pass? Pass is P is for pulmonary, A is aortic, S is for stenotic or stenosis, and next S is systole. My triceps, what my triceps? I know the spelling of the my triceps is CEPS, but for the mnemonic purpose, just learn it as SCPS. Okay, what my triceps is? M is mitral, T is tricuspid, R is regurgitation, and S is systole. So, this mnemonic says that pulmonary and aortic stenosis occur in systole and mitral and tricuspid regurgitation occur in systole. Now the next two mnemonics is R, E and other is last. So what RE is? RE says regurgitation. Regurgitation occur early, means regurgitation murmurs are early murmurs, maybe early systolic murmurs, maybe early diastolic murmurs, but regurgitation murmurs are early murmurs. And last is ST is for stenotic, and LA is late. So stenotic murmurs are late murmurs. Maybe some book says as mid diastolic or mid systolic, late as mid. So just learn. Now comes you have to know the murmur of aortic stenosis. So as we have studied, the murmur is as we have studied pass. So pass is systolic, so systolic. Next is aortic stenosis, aortic. Okay, so next is stenotic last, means stenotic is last, so late systolic. Answer comes. Next is aortic regurgitation. Pass is occur in systolic, so aortic regurgitation occur in diastolic, because aortic stenosis occur in systolic, so aortic regurgitation has to be occur in diastolic. Next, regurgitation, mnemonic. So regurgitation occur early, so early diastolic. And otherwise mitral regurgitation, same formula. Regurgitation है mitral regurgitation, so systolic. My triceps systolic, and regurgitation early. And mitral regurgitation occur in early phase, stenosis occur in late phase. Stenosis occur in late phase, and mitral regurgitation in systolic, so mitral stenosis in diastolic. So all murmurs come with this trick. And if you like, then please share and subscribe so that I come with the new mnemonics. And thank you.